you how cold it was, how much colder it had gotten when I came out at lunchtime to come home. It's like, this is,
It got colder?
yeah, I think it got colder since I've been out to work. Absolutely.
You have a cutting board and some knife or two?
Okay, where did you go to? Hello? Oh, there it is. Where did we,
You cooking much these days?
someone put it away, trying to help, but they didn't put it away in the right spot. Or the spot that I know it's supposed to be at.
Yeah, when stuff's put away very well in the kitchen.